What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see a tutorial and a review for Google Mixboard so you can use it for any project. Are you tired of using Pinterest to organize your projects, only to hit a massive creative wall? Welcome back. Today we're going to see how to use the Google Mixboard, Google Labs' insane new AI whiteboard that lets you generate, combine, and organize ideas in under 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. Firstly, let's check the infinite canvas and generate an assets. So, all you have to do is head over to labs.google.com/mixboard. This isn't just a static corkboard, it's an infinite canvas powered by Google's Gemini models. You can upload your own photos, PDFs, or instantly generate brand new concepts using text. Let's say you're brainstorming and you look for a tech video. Just type something like 2D cartoon illustration, educational explainer style, thick, clean black outlines, and hit generate. Pin the best results right onto your board. Now, let's see where Mixboard absolutely destroys traditional mood boards. Let's say you have an uploaded photo of a smartphone, and you want to merge it with one of those 2D vector illustrations you just made. Just select the Combine command. Drag the two images together. Then, the AI will literally blend their visual styles into a single brand new image. You can even draw directly on an image to tell the AI exactly which part to edit. Now, you'll have all your ideas organized, but how do you share them? You don't have to rebuild everything in PowerPoint. Mixboard has a feature that pulls context from your entire whiteboard and automatically generates a full multi-site presentation. It analyzes your visual style, writes the slide copy, and formats it perfectly so you can pitch your project immediately. Mixboard is completely free in public beta right now, so get in there and start building. If this quick review leveled up your workflow today, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fast tech tutorials on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.